So today we're set up at a job fair, looking for some recruits. So they having a look at the Scorpion frame. Guys, this is our first sample from the production. It looks like we got some frames. Oh, we're gonna.
点上，这洗了之后怎么？这坐2个人之后重心。
So I'm heading back to the States today. I've been here for about a couple weeks, working on these bikes. Lots of projects in the works. So finally we get our first look at the production Scorpion. This is the standard Scorpion, all production parts. So this bike represents what's getting made right now. Basically, this is the real deal. We built this one up just to check everything again, all the parts that came in. No logos, the swing arm hasn't had time to be painted. A couple other little things that need to be dialed in. So I think we did a perfect job of capturing that 70s moped style. You know, when you see it, it definitely looks like the moped, just classic style, you know, just fits. Yeah, very pumped. Very pumped. $16.34. Headed back home. Going to Dallas. Update a little bit later.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
Today we're in Dallas with my friend Juan. We got a little event with the Dallas Cowboys. So we're here in Dallas with the Cowboys. We're gonna give them the whole defensive team bikes. So this should be pretty fun. Cheer the guys up. They're gonna be super pumped when they see this. I know they're gonna flip when they walk. They're gonna walk out of this door right here. We're gonna put all the bikes here. They're gonna flip when they see these bikes. Okay, so you did deliver. Okay. What's up? Whoa! Out of there! Oh my God! No. Oh shit. Oh man. So we just handed the bikes to the guys. They have been going absolutely nuts. Going like they're like 12-year-olds.
Hey, no, this is right around the store. Let them know we're here. Hey, man, come on, man. Leave off. Yeah, go ahead. Too nice. You look late.
I'll be right there. I'll be right in the street like this. Nope. Y'all be on the work. I ain't even trying to cut them. Okay, so. You know what I'm saying? Already?
Already.
What up, boy?
Got the number. For the guys that love the bikes, I wanted to be very careful with the bikes. We need to. Yeah. We gotta do a little group photo. They going crazy. Yeah.